If you have children who frequent your work area, naturally, you're going to use all of the safety devices that come with your tools. But here's another tip that could save a life. To make it so that your children are never able to plug in any of your power tools, buy a package of small cable ties and use one tie per tool. Take the cable tie and thread it through the holes of the prong like this, and then lock it into place. Now they're not going to be able to plug in the power tool. So without any power, your power tools will be less likely to cause any harm. Whenever you get ready to use the tool, then you can take the cable tie off. For less than $1 and a little common sense, your work area will be much safer.